Want to make cinematic CGI ads that look like they belong to big brands? The kind where rooms magically transform or giant banners fly in the sky? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create those ads for free using JSON prompts. And don't worry, this is beginner-friendly, simple, and step-by-step. But hold on, what even is a JSON prompt? Let me explain. Think of JSON as a structured way of writing your idea so the AI tool doesn't just guess. It actually understands what you want. And when the AI understands better, the video results level up. Not just a little, sometimes 100 times better. That's why everywhere you look, people are talking about JSON prompts. But here's the problem. Most don't actually show you how to write them. Some try to sell you a book. Others hand out their own pre-made JSON prompts and say, just use this one. But really? If everyone copies the same prompt, won't every ad look exactly the same? Where's the creativity in that? So here's what makes this tutorial different. I'm not giving you a shortcut or a copy-paste. I'm showing you how to create your own JSON prompts, step by step, in the simplest way possible. So your ads are unique, your style shines through, and you never have to depend on anyone else. And the best part? We'll only use 2 free tools. No complicated software, no technical drama, just simple, smart creation. Because remember, the goal is always work smart, not hard. All right, let's dive in. First things first, take a second and hit that subscribe button. It's free, it helps me a lot, and most importantly, you won't lose this tutorial later. Okay, now let's talk about ideas. Every great ad starts with one spark. Go on your phone or your laptop and search CGI ads. You'll see dozens of styles: futuristic, cinematic, playful, dramatic. Watch them, take screenshots, collect inspiration. Here's one idea I came up with: a face cleanser ad. Picture this: a dull, lifeless city, completely black and white. The streets are empty, the people look bored. Suddenly, in the sky, a giant face cleanser bottle floats above the skyline. It's glowing, powerful, impossible to ignore. It drops just one tiny splash of cleanser, and instantly, the entire city bursts into life. Colors explode, lights shine, people smile, energy fills the air. Feels like a story, right? That's the magic of turning a product into a CGI ad. Now let's see how to turn this into a JSON prompt. Here's the secret. Go to ChatGPT and don't treat it like a boring robot. Trust me, that's the biggest mistake people make. Instead, talk to it like a friend. Say, hey, I'm working on a CGI ad. Can you turn this idea into a JSON prompt for me? Then just explain your idea in your own words. Doesn't matter if it's in English or Spanish, any other language, ChatGPT understands them all. Within seconds, you'll get a structured JSON prompt written for you. Copy it, and you're ready for the magic. Now open your AI video tool. Personally, I recommend VO3. It's giving a 1-month free trial until September 19th. Here's a pro tip. Use multiple accounts so you can extend that free access. And don't stress about payments. Just cancel autopay after you sign up. Safe and simple. Paste your JSON prompt, upload your product image, click generate, and wait a minute or two. And there it is, your first CGI ad alive on screen. Hit play and just take it in. Pretty cool, right? But why stop there? Let's create more ads. Imagine this one, a luxury perfume ad. A surreal golden dreamscape unfolds. Velvet textures shimmer, metallic shapes float and rotate, crystal spheres drift weightlessly through the air. At the center, a glowing glass bottle rises, bathed in warm amber light. As it shines brighter, the floating shapes begin to dance around it, casting golden reflections across the scene. The atmosphere feels alive, soft, radiant, otherworldly. This isn't just a perfume ad, it's pure cinematic fantasy. Now, let's actually create the 2 CGI ads we imagined at the beginning of this video. First ad idea. A parcel box falls right in the middle of an empty room. Suddenly, it bursts open and luxury bedroom furniture comes out one by one. A bed, lamps, rugs, side tables, each piece floats perfectly into place. In just a few seconds, the empty room transforms into a fully furnished luxury bedroom. Now we'll go to ChatGPT and simply give it this idea. We'll say, ChatGPT, please write me a JSON prompt for the CGI ad. That's it. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives us the prompt. We copy it, paste it into VO3, click generate, and boom. Our cinematic CGI ad comes alive on screen. Second ad idea. 2 helicopters fly across the sky, carrying a giant fabric banner. The banner waves dramatically in the air. On it, a brand name is written boldly, along with the word sale and the dates 9 September to 20 September. Again, we'll go to ChatGPT and give it this idea. We'll say, ChatGPT, please write me a JSON prompt for this CGI ad. We copy the JSON, paste it into VO3, click generate, and boom. The second cinematic CGI ad is ready. See how simple it is? No coding, no stress. Just describe your idea, let ChatGPT write the JSON prompt, paste it into VO3, and your CGI ads are ready for free. This is the power of storytelling with CGI. And with JSON prompts, you can control every detail. Editing your JSON is easier than you think. Want to change the product? Just swap the name. Want to switch the city? Replace the word. Even if it feels tricky, just ask ChatGPT to edit it for you. One click and you've got a brand new version. So now you know this is the professional, beginner-friendly way to create viral CGI ads with JSON prompts. Not boring copy-paste, not the same templates everyone else is using, but your own unique, powerful creations. And once you learn this, trust me, you'll never look at ads the same way again. So, are you ready to start creating?